Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to unlock credit or debit card Chase Bank. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So begin by logging into your account and selecting the specific account associated with the card you need to manage. Next, locate and click on the ellipsis icon typically found in the menu for additional options. Now within the menu labeled Account Services, locate the option labeled Lock and unlock your card and click on it. Then you'll be presented with a toggle switch. Simply move the switch to the desired position to either lock or unlock your card, depending on your current needs. Now, by following these steps, you can promptly take control of your card status, ensuring security and peace of mind in case of any unexpected situations. And that's about it. So the steps are actually pretty simple. Just follow the steps and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.